Hello everyone, this is Alona and welcome to another Cricut tutorial video. So for today, I will be showing you how to make this tote bag using your Cricut Maker. So let's start! Now, let's start with the materials and tools that you will be needing for this project. So first is plain tote bag. Next is your heat transfer vinyl or iron-on vinyl, tweezing tools and scissors, easy heat press and mat. You can also use your normal home iron. And lastly, of course, your Cricut Maker. We are going to use the 5-point blade. Now, let's head on to Design Space. First is, let's go to Cricut Design Space. So I'll be showing you how to make this. Create new project, place, then insert text, astonishing, then Control C, Control V, creations. Now, I want to separate this one, so I will copy and paste and remove the rest. This one also, remove the A. And also this one. Control C, Control V. Because I wanted to change the font size of the first letter. Now, let's change the font to Almarticos. So, I downloaded this font from thefont.com. Just this, you can download different kinds of font in thefont.com. Then, this one I will bold. Make it bigger. And change font size as well. Around 85. 90. This one also 90. And we're almost done. Then this is grouped into one. If you want to ungroup, just click the text and click ungroup. So now you can move it to the position that you want. So I'll be moving it, compressing it to make a continuous effect like this one. So this one, I'm just eyeballing it. So, tansya-tansya lang. So this one is ungrouped. If you want to group it, just select all and weld. What happened to this part? Let's try again. Weld. Okay. Done. Okay, next is I want to add image. So upload. Want to add fairy image. Just insert. You can get from the internet. Then just remove background. So continue. And then okay. Save as cat image. I want to rename this as fairy. Save. Then insert image. I want to have that pixie dust effect. So I will be adding stars. Then resize, rotate. So from here, I'll be adding different size of stars to have that pixie dust effect coming from the wand. So I'll change the color to pink. So there they will be one layer only. Next is to weld. So it is one size already. And the size of our mat is around 12 inch only. So let's reduce the size. 8 inch by 4 inch. Let's click make it. Then make sure to mirror your design. And then click continue. We are going to use everyday iron on. And it also says here that make sure to mirror. Make sure mirror is turned on and iron on material is face shiny side down. Next, default pressure. Okay, more. Then we are going to use fine point blade. Next, I will be going to cut the heat transfer vinyl. So around 4.5 inch by 8.5 inch. Attach this to our mat. So when attaching your vinyl to your mat, make sure that the clear side or the shiny side down and the matte side up. And we're ready to input it to our CRICUT Maker. Open your CRICUT Maker and turn it on. Let's load this and click C button. And we're done. So let's unload this. And we are going to weed our design. This is the design after weeding. It to our tote bag. Now we are going to attach this design to our tote bag. So first, let's open the Easy Heat Press, then change the temperature to 302. So let's set 305. Then time, let's set it to 15 seconds. This setting is based on the material that you will use. So this is the required materials. Then let's wait for the temperature to go up. Now it's already 305 degrees. Now let's prepare our tote bag. Have your basic heat press mat and the tote bag. So let's preheat this one. Let's preheat also the other side. And let's attach our design. And let's start. Putting pressure, press start. And let's remove the lining. And tada! already transferred our design to our tote bag. And this is our finished product. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I was able to help you in creating your vinyl project. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any update whenever I upload videos about Cricut. Thanks for watching! Bye!